In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Buick Enclave fuse box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 Buick Enclave? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block houses essential fuses and relays for the vehicle's electrical systems. It is designed for easy access and efficient protection against electrical faults. Its location in the engine compartment helps prevent overheating and damage. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block contains fuses for the vehicle's dashboard and interior electrical systems. It ensures safe operation of components like lights, radio, and climate controls. Its compact design allows for easy access and quick replacement of blown fuses. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block controls electrical systems in the vehicle's rear section, such as taillights and rear wipers. It is designed for easy access and durability, protecting against electrical faults. Its location ensures efficient management of rear vehicle circuits.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.